In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to a ticket in Zendesk efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in and ensure you have everything you need to manage your tickets seamlessly. First, let's talk about accessing the ticket you want to respond to. Start by clicking on Views from the sidebar. This action will open up a selection of different views for you to choose from, such as Unassigned Tickets or My Tickets. Once you've selected your view, simply click on the ticket subject to open it. This will give you a full view of all the ticket details you need to address the customer's concern. Now that you have the ticket open, it's time to choose your method of reply. If you look at the bottom of the interface, you'll notice 3 tabs, although the exact setup may vary depending on your organization's configuration. These are Public Reply, Internal Note, and Side Conversation. The Public Reply tab is crucial because it's the option that sends your message directly to the customer, which is what you'll want to select for a regular response. The Internal Note is for when you need to add a private note for other agents' eyes only, while Side Conversation allows you to initiate discussions with other internal teams, whether by email, Slack, or another integrated option. With the method of reply chosen, it's time to draft your message. You'll find a text composer at the bottom where you can start typing your message. Zendesk offers some useful tools here, such as rich text formatting options, which allow you to make your text bold, create lists, or add links to make your response clear and engaging. Moreover, if you're dealing with recurring inquiries, macros can be a lifesaver. These are predefined replies that can save time and ensure consistency in your communications. If your situation calls for it, you can also attach files using the paperclip icon. As you type your response, the entire ticket history is visible above your composer, so you can easily reference past interactions with the customer and maintain context. Once your message is ready, consider if you need to adjust any ticket properties. This might involve setting or changing the assignee, status, and priority level. You could also add tags, update fields, or change the group assignment to ensure the ticket is properly categorized and visible to the right people in your team. Finally, you need to decide how to submit your ticket. This is crucial as it dictates the next actions. Click the Submit button drop-down and choose from several options. Submit as open. If you're waiting for another agent's action, submit as pending if awaiting a customer response, submit as solved when the issue has been resolved, or submit as on hold if you're waiting for a third party or vendor. Once you've made your choice, Zendesk saves your reply and updates the ticket's status accordingly so everything is cleanly logged and organized. And there you go, that's how you respond to a ticket in Zendesk. Keeping these steps in mind, you'll be managing customer interactions smoothly and effectively, ensuring a productive support experience both for yourself and the customers you're helping.